Hi there, students. Hardship. Okay, hardship is a noun, both countable and uncountable, although I think it's probably more common as an uncountable noun. Hardship is something that causes difficult or unpleasant conditions for life. So, if you lose your job, maybe it'll cause you hardship. You're going to have difficulty paying your rent. Maybe you'll have to go and live somewhere smaller. Maybe you're going to have to sell your car. Or if even worse than that, maybe you don't have quite enough money to buy food. That would be real hardship. Economic hardship. Okay, hardship is a bit like privation or privations. Although I think privations are probably stronger than hardship, although hardship's not much fun. Yeah, so hardship, it's a condition of life that is difficult or causes suffering. So the Great Depression of the 1930s was a time of economic hardship, financial hardship. Refugees trying to get to Europe go through many hardships in order to get here. Let's see, I think privations is probably a more formal word. Hardship is probably more neutral. The increase in taxes will not pose undue hardship on companies because it's only a small increase in taxes. Okay, so extreme hardship. Unemployment among the poorer groups of society may cause great hardship. 200 or 300 years ago, workers went through terrible hardship. Yeah, more than just financial hardship. Their lives were difficult. Okay, so hardship, suffering and privation, adversity. He suffered in considerable hardship. The country has been going through financial hardship due to the economic downturn. Okay, so lacking the necessities of comforts of a comfortable life, that's hardship. Yeah, something that causes an ongoing and persistent situation of suffering and difficulty. Yeah, the school of hard knocks, I guess you learn through the hardships of real life. So people are suffering economic hardship. Okay, they are having difficulty. It's going to be no hardship for you to walk instead of using your car everywhere. And this is the idea of hardship: suffering, problems, difficulty, hard times, difficulty or trouble. Yeah, the population has suffered many hardships during the war. Okay, so yeah, people could be subjected to various hardships. I can't imagine the hardships of being a slave in Roman times. I think the hardship must have been terrible. Okay, so hardship. Let's see, how formal is this? I think I would give it a 5 in formality. It's a neutral phrase, so use it absolutely anywhere. It's a nice word to use. And then the origin, well, it comes from hard ship, like, I don't know, one-upmanship. So ship is the state of, and the state of things being hard. So it would be no hardship for us not to have our mobile phones, although we would probably consider it a great hardship if we didn't have them. So yeah, people are suffering great hardship in the third world. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Hardship.